Hello students, in this video we will discuss about principle of mathematical induction means PMI. What is the PMI? In the PMI we are going from a specific instance to generalization. This is the PMI. But how to prove in the mathematics and how to study PMI in the mathematics? Now first we try to understand what is the PMI. PMI means from generalization to from specific instance to generalization. Now as you know that small children play a game like they stand the some bricks like this in a line. There are many bricks put in a straight line and so on, and this is the last brick. Suppose in this game any student or any child apply a force on the first brick, apply a force or push first brick, then after what will be happen? That brick move down on this brick, and same this brick down to this brick down to this brick, and on the same way last brick down on the ground. This process continue to each other. In this game you can see here force apply on the first brick, not on the last brick or not in the another brick, but this force apply to each other automatically. That means if we say that this is the 1, 2, 3 and on so on, suppose this is a brick here and we give the name of this brick is K, and this brick give the name of this brick is K plus 1, then if this force apply on the first brick, then it will be applied on second, it will be applied on third, and on K plus 1. That means if given statement true for, if this true for n equal to 1, n equal to K and n equal to K plus 1, then this will be true for general or true for whole. If this statement is true for n equal to 1, true for n equal to dash n equal to 2, n equal to 3, true for n equal to K and true for n equal to K plus 1, then this will be true for general or all, means whole. This is known as PMI, principle of mathematical induction. If we take some another example, suppose here this is specific instance, and suppose this is the general, then we can tell with this example induction and deduction both. If we go from specific to specific to generalization, then this is known as induction, and this is also PMI, because induction is used in the principle of mathematical induction, and in the from generalization to specific instance, that means if this is go from general to specific instance, this is known as deduction. Now in the mathematics, if we give a statement P of n equal to, suppose n square plus 2n plus 1, where n belongs to natural number, then how to prove this by the PMI? First we are let for n equal to 1 is true, we check it, then n equal to 2 or so on, and n equal to k, let this is the true for n equal to k is true, then to prove for n equal to k plus 1 will be also true. If we satisfied this in any question, then we can say that statement has proved by the PMI. Now in the next video, we will take some numerical problem related to PMI.